Welcome, viewers. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of P2P, also known as peer-to-peer. P2P is revolutionizing the way we exchange resources and conduct financial transactions, empowering individuals to connect and transact directly without intermediaries. In this video, we'll explore the concept of P2P and its impact on various sectors. We'll uncover how P2P is reshaping lending, investing, trading, and more. You'll discover how individuals like you can leverage P2P platforms to earn income, access financing, and participate in global marketplaces. Join us as we delve into the advantages, challenges, and opportunities presented by P2P technology. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply curious about the future of finance, this video will provide valuable insights into the P2P landscape and how it can shape our financial interactions. So, buckle up and get ready for an eye-opening journey into the world of P2P. Let's explore the decentralized power of peer-to-peer connections and discover the potential it holds for individuals like you. P2P, or peer-to-peer, refers to a decentralized network architecture where participants can directly interact and exchange resources without the need for intermediaries or centralized authorities. It is a technology that enables individuals to connect and transact with each other in a direct and peer-to-peer manner. Traditionally, most transactions and interactions required intermediaries such as banks, marketplaces, or service providers to facilitate and verify the exchange of goods, services, or information. P2P technology disrupts this centralized model by allowing participants to interact directly, cutting out the middleman. In a P2P network, each participant has the ability to act both as a provider and a consumer of resources. This means that users can contribute their own resources, whether it be computing power, storage space, or services, and also access resources shared by others in the network. This direct peer-to-peer interaction empowers individuals to collaborate, share, and transact without relying on centralized entities. One of the most well-known applications of P2P technology is file sharing. Platforms like BitTorrent use P2P networks to allow users to share files directly with each other, rather than relying on a central server. Each user downloading a file also uploads parts of that file to other users, creating a decentralized and efficient distribution system. P2P is not limited to file sharing alone. It has expanded to various domains, including finance, lending, investing, trading, and even decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. P2P lending platforms enable individuals to directly lend and borrow money from one another, bypassing traditional financial institutions. P2P marketplaces allow individuals to trade goods and services directly, eliminating the need for intermediaries. The key advantages of P2P technology include increased efficiency, lower costs, enhanced privacy, and greater accessibility. By removing intermediaries, P2P networks reduce transaction fees, improve speed, and foster direct peer-to-peer interactions. P2P also enables individuals who may not have access to traditional financial services to participate in economic activities and access funding. However, it's important to note that P2P networks may present challenges as well. Trust and reputation mechanisms need to be established to ensure the reliability of participants, and regulatory considerations vary across jurisdictions. In summary, P2P is a revolutionary technology that empowers individuals to connect, interact, and transact directly with each other. By leveraging decentralized networks, P2P opens up new possibilities for collaboration, resource sharing, and financial interactions in a more efficient, inclusive, and secure manner. There are several ways to earn money on P2P platforms. Here are some of the common methods. P2P lending. P2P lending allows individuals to lend money to others in exchange for interest payments. As a lender, you can earn money by providing loans to borrowers through a P2P lending platform. You can choose the borrowers you want to lend to and set the interest rate. The interest income you receive can be a source of passive income. P2P investing. P2P investing involves investing in various assets or projects through P2P platforms. For example, you can invest in real estate crowdfunding projects, small businesses, or personal loans. By diversifying your investments and carefully selecting opportunities, you can potentially earn returns on your invested capital. P2P trading. P2P trading platforms enable users to buy and sell assets, products, or services directly with other users. You can participate in P2P marketplaces for various items such as electronics, collectibles, handmade goods, or even cryptocurrencies. By buying low and selling high, you can generate profits from successful trades. P2P renting. Some P2P platforms facilitate peer-to-peer renting or sharing of assets. You can rent out your property, such as a spare room, car, or equipment, to other individuals through these platforms. By leveraging your underutilized assets, you can earn income from rentals. P2P affiliate marketing. Some P2P platforms offer affiliate programs where you can earn money by promoting their services or products. As an affiliate, you receive a commission for every customer or lead you refer to the platform. This method requires marketing skills and the ability to drive traffic to the platform through various channels like blogs, social media, or email marketing. It's important to note that the potential earnings and risks associated with P2P activities can vary significantly. Before engaging in any P2P income-generating activities, it's essential to understand the specific platform, evaluate the associated risks, and conduct thorough research. As with any investment or entrepreneurial endeavor, it's recommended to diversify your activities, carefully consider the risks, and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, P2P technology has brought about a paradigm shift in the way we connect, transact, and earn money. It has unleashed a world of opportunities for individuals to directly interact with each other, bypassing intermediaries and centralized control. Whether it's P2P lending, investing, trading, renting, freelancing, or affiliate marketing, there are numerous avenues to explore and earn money on P2P platforms. The decentralized nature of P2P empowers individuals, fosters financial inclusion, and promotes a more equitable and efficient economic landscape. However, it's important to approach P2P activities with caution. While the potential for earning money is enticing, it's essential to conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and carefully evaluate each opportunity. Maintaining a diversified portfolio and exercising due diligence will contribute to a safer and more successful P2P experience. P2P has the potential to reshape industries, democratize access to finance, and empower individuals worldwide. By leveraging P2P technology, we can harness the power of direct peer-to-peer interactions, unlock new sources of income, and participate in a more connected and inclusive economy. So, whether you're looking to invest, lend, trade, rent, freelance, or explore affiliate marketing, embrace the opportunities offered by P2P. Stay informed, adapt to the evolving landscape, and seize the potential that P2P brings. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of P2P. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to explore the possibilities of P2P and embark on your own path to financial empowerment. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future videos exploring exciting topics like P2P and beyond. Together, let's embrace the power of P2P and shape a more decentralized and interconnected future. Until next time, happy exploring and best of luck in your P2P endeavors.